Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabayashi from Z Ideas. Today's quick tutorial is I'm going to show you how to replace Elementor Pro with JetThemeCore. I had Elementor Pro plugin. I've been using it for my blog posts. Like I post online resources, but I found that this is a bit waste of my money because I have a lifetime Crocoblock membership, which includes JetThemeCore. So I rebuilt my single post template in under an hour, maybe about 30 minutes, and removed Elementor Pro entirely. And now my website is leaner and more cost effective. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a couple of things. So I have this like online resources here. So I'm just, so this is just a single post template here. And here's the content. All right. Now here is, so I have some lead magnet form. So I'm using Fluent as Fluent CRM and the Fluent Forms. So I'm not using JetForm Builder for that, but however, this can be done with JetForm Builder. Now, related resources. So this is, I'm using a query builder. The thing is that, so this is pulling the same category as the current post, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that as well, all right? So let's get started. So I've been using Elementor Pro. As you know, the Elementor Pro is you have to pay for it. Since I have Crocoblock theme core plugin, so I want to just replace with that. Then I don't have to pay for it. So yeah, I'm gonna just record my video screen. Somebody, want to do the same thing. So let's get started. So it looks like I'm using only those three templates. So I got the event template, online resource, and then for flow page. Easily, I can probably recreate with ThemeCore plugin. So I have, so this is online resource page. So I got the title, and then this is just content. Okay, so let's work on that first. So let's go to this online results page and hit edit. Okay, so it looks like I got the post content and then post navigation. So this is shared. Just heading. And so it looks like, so I got some form here. Okay. And so this is about Arthur, so team member widget, and then the related resource here. So what I'm going to do is, let's see. So I should be able to copy and paste. So I got this nice handy plugin. It's called Ultimate something plugin here. Let me just show it to you. Go to plugin. Which one is that? Yeah, so this is the ultimate add-on for Elementor Pro. So this is the Brainstorm Force. So I think I have this plugin, so which means I should be able to, yeah, just copy and then paste it to other template. So let's just go to Crocoblock theme template. And then, so I need a single. So I don't have any. All right, so this is a single one. I'm gonna use the Elementor. Resources and create template. Okay. All right, so this Elementor. So let's see, just copy this. Paste. Okay, I think this is a good start. So I'm gonna just use that. This. Copy that. Paste. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just hit the update. All right, so I'm going to use this as a template. So this is like a post title and stuff. So this is part of Elementor Pro. So once I deactivate Elementor Pro, it shouldn't display. So I'm going to replace with, by the way, I have JetEngine plugin as well. So you need that. So now there's a listing element here I can use. So I think I can probably use a dynamic field here. And then this is going to be, yeah, and I just need to change to the style here. Okay, so I'm going to just style that. Okay, and then next is content. The dynamic field. So it's going to be the content here. Okay. Its contents right here. Okay. Just need the space. All right, so now I can get rid of this, delete. All right, so this is just navigation here. So it's called a post navigation. This is also part of Elementor Pro. So if you go to, this is Crocoblock, so post navigation widget. So this is part of JetBlog. So actually I do have JetBlog. Yeah, because I bought a kind of lifetime membership. So it comes with everything. So I might as well use it. So let's go and then go to Crocoblock dashboard. Okay, so I think I can install, it's called JetBlog. Yeah, so this one. Okay, and looks like it's already, oh no, gotta activate that. All right. Now, so let's go to, no, not this one, this one. Okay, so this is the one. So let's, gotta refresh this page. Hit update first. And the refresh. Okay, let's see. Post navigation. So this is it. All right, so that's fine. Yeah, I mean, okay. Oh, you can show post title. Okay. I don't like that. Yeah, I've never used this before. So you have some choices here. Okay. All right, so that's cool. I'd like to change that to black to maybe just white. How do I do that? So background color, that's okay. Okay, so you can change typography. Okay, so that's the icon. Car, here you go. So white. Okay. That's good enough. Yeah, maybe it's a item. Maybe yeah, a little bit create a bit radius here and hit update. Okay, and I'm gonna just delete that part. Okay, so yeah, I kind of changed my mind. I kind of like putting title a little bit. Yeah, something like that would be nice. Okay, now it's content and then navigation here. So this is fine. Share the button. I think this is, yeah, part of free Elementor. All right, so that's also good too, but what's that? This is a form. Okay, so this is probably element of form. So I can actually use Jet Form Builder, or as a matter of fact, I'm using I have a Fluent CRM, so this is probably good for the lead contact here, or lead generation. Okay, so I'm gonna just uh, yeah, quickly work on that form first. All right, so let's go to FluentForm Pro. Yeah, add a new form template. Yeah, let's just use basic. So this is what I want. Subscribe to newsletter. Okay. Yeah, the first name, last name, email. And I'm gonna add organization name, text area here. Oh, not the text area. Just a simple text. And then the subscribe. Maybe keep it blue. What's default? Oh, okay. So that's good. Default is good. Okay. So first name to required. Last name is also the required. Email. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. Oh, I don't need that. Delete. Okay, and save. Okay, so thank you for yeah. So I'll think about the better message later on. All right, and the email notification is yeah, I want to enable that. So let's see. Admin notification email. So admin, it's gonna just use my email address. New sub say new. Okay, same notification. So this is just notification coming from this server to myself. Okay, so if somebody subscribed through my website. All right, so now, so this is actually a good part of a CRM. Just use a Fluent CRM integration here. And then, so I'm going to use list is, I can create a new list, but I'm going to just put them into non-profit organization. Okay. And quickly, let's map this out. So email is email, the first name. It's going to be first name, and last name is going to be last name. Okay, so full name, name here. And I don't think oh yeah, organization. I think I have a organization company name. Yeah, so here's organization. And then so I got the organization name. Okay. The tag. So I'm gonna just use online the resources. Okay. So that I know that these leads came through my online resource page. Okay. Skip if contact already exists. Skip. Okay. And then enable double opt-in for new contact. Okay. Enable force subscribe contact is not subscribed status. So this is existing contact only. I think that's good. So save feed. Now, so let's go to this page, right? So I'm gonna just hit update first, and then refresh this page. All right, so I don't need this anymore. So just gonna delete. And then, so I got the form, Fluent form here. And then select forms I have. So the last one, newsletter form. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Oh, somehow, yeah, I don't like that format. Let's just fix that. Edit. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it says left, I got top. All right, so I think that's it. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so that's a single page in template here. Oh, and this one is related to post. So this is also part of Elementor Pro. All right, so let's work on so this is related to the results here. This is like related to post. We can use with JetEngine. So let's do that. JetEngine listings. Okay, so new item. So it's gonna be post. I'm using post, and post type is post because I don't have this is not really custom post type. Listing name is okay, so I use Elementor. Okay. So I'm gonna probably use yeah, good. So there is I think feature. Oh, this is I need a Elementor Pro, so I don't have to do this. I think the listing elements must be yeah, dynamic image. Okay, let's use thumbnail here, and then same thing. So I'm going to use dynamic field for title. I'm going to just use here you go, excerpt. Okay. All right, so automatically generate custom, I think maybe around 30. Oh, it's a links, it is a character. 10. Oh, it doesn't work. All right, so I'm going to just change that to text. Yeah, I don't know, somehow this doesn't work. So I think let's go use another one. So I think this is dev tool from Crocoblock. And there is where'd it go? Yeah, so this trim string callback. So let's use that. Okay, so I'm gonna just download it, and then let's just go to plugin or the new plugin, upload. Okay, so trim callback. They install that. Okay, activate. Okay, so let's go back here. So I'm gonna just hit update. Okay, it's a refresh. Okay, so instead I'm gonna use content. Okay, so of course it shows everything. Let's see. Filter field output. So turn this on and a callback. Now let's find yeah, so here we go. So there's a trim string by characters or words. Okay, so click that. Okay, so I'm gonna just use word, 20 words maybe. Yeah, so something like this. So you can change to 25. Yeah, so this should work. Here, let's style that. Okay, rounded edge. Yeah, just divider here. Good. Here. All right, so just yeah, just a little bit accent here. Hit update. All right, so let's go to here and then bring a listing grid. This is part of JetEngine as well. And then listing. What did I name it? Online resource. Oh, there are two of those. Strange. All right, so this is the one. So that's fine. Now, I need to build a query for the related post resource here, just to make sure. So let's just, I'll just hit update here. And let's go to query builder. Right, so I'm going to add a new query. Let's see, related online resources. Okay. And then, so this is going to be post query. Okay. Hang on, just I think so. Yeah, post query. Okay. And the post type is post. If you have a custom post, you got to pick custom post. But in my case, this is just a post. All right. And the post status is has to be published. Go to post and page. What we want is we don't want to put list here for the current post here. Okay. So you want to exclude the current post. So what we have to do is post not in and click this button and then current ID. Okay, so to make sure it won't be listed. Okay, so let's hit add query. All right, so next one is pick taxonomy query. So add a new and taxonomy. It's going to be, in my case, it's a category. All right. So this is the field. Field is going to be term ID. Okay, and the terms. So these are current terms. Okay. All right. So now right here, and then pick the category here and hit apply. Okay. So compare operator. So make sure you put in. So this means that if the current ID and the category kind of match to this related to the post, or in my case, online resources. Okay. And then hit update. And what I'm going to do is one more thing, it's a date query. Sorry, it's not date query, just go back to general. And then order and order by. So I like to make it by date. So that latest goes to goes on first. So from lowest to highest value. Okay. So and hit update. Okay, I think that's it for now. And let's go to not this one, go to this page template. All right, so let's click that, go to hit the custom query. Oh, I might have to refresh. All right, and go to custom query. I think online. Oh, it doesn't show image for some reason. Yeah, that's weird. Like, why it doesn't really show? Well, let's click this file, save and leave. Okay. Yeah, some reason it doesn't really show when I use so here. So if I remove custom query, so I see the image here. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna troubleshoot later. But in the meanwhile, so I'm gonna just use add a parameter of that. So I'm gonna show you. So post and author parameter here, and then include or exclude the current post. So we want to exclude this one. So what we have to do is click this, and then so let's use a macro here, and the current ID. All right. So and then hit update. So now it's removed. All right. So next one is All right, so let's add a new item here. So next one is tax query. All right, so which taxonomy, which is just the default category in my case. All right, and then operator in, and then it's gonna be term ID. Now, so which term? This one you need to, I don't know, is there a way to add a macro? So if not, I think there is a macro here. It's percentage and then current underscore, I think it's terms. And then just use that. Okay, so this is the one, percentage current, current underscore terms and the percentage sign. Okay, so I'll just double check though. I think so macro guide, I think this. So here you go. So that's the one. Yeah, current terms with the S. Okay, that's the one. All right, so let's go back. And then let's hit update. So another thing is I like to put another parameter. Oops. So I like to go the latest to oldest. So actually this is order and offset, I think. Order, yeah. So sent by date. Oh, I know why. Because this has to be this. These are older one. Didn't have thumbnail. So maybe that was a mistake. So if I do that. All right, so now I get it. Okay, so let's do, and then go to general. So that's, oh, how come? Oh, column 3. And then the numbers, I'm going to just list it. Oh, it's only maybe 3. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. So that's fine. All right. So hit update. Now I get it though. So maybe that was from oldest to latest. So let's just play with this. Go to custom query here. And then now it's gone. Now, so let's go to query builder. So what I made a mistake was, I think here, oh, sorry, in general. And then this one is probably highest to lowest, and I hit update. All right, so that should be good. So let's go to this page and hit update first. And let's refresh. All right, so now it's kind of listing a bunch of, so I'm gonna limit it to 3. The reason was right here, I'll show you. Even though under general, I listed for 3, because whenever you pick a custom query, it kind of overrides the settings. So you have to go back to query builder, and this means pagination, and you have to specify number right here. Okay, and then now if you refresh this page, yeah, so I got 3 here. So this is the old one, so I'm going to just delete this. I don't need it anymore. All right, so I think that's good, and then hit update. All right. Okay, so let's go to dashboard and then go to Crocoblock, and then here it's a template. And then so I'm going to use this template at a condition. So the condition include singular. It's going to be the post. Okay, and then I'll select the post. I think I have to say this. Okay, be all. Okay, save condition. Oh, hang on, do I check the category here? Oh, okay, so we have category here. So resources, I need only use the resources. Okay, and then there's subcategory. All right, so let's go to edit condition, post single. Yeah, so in post categories. So let's put the category, select the category. Do so resources for this one. Yeah, and then save condition. All right, so next is let's use this template. All right, so create, try that. Add a condition, include. That's only singular, only posting category. Category. This is only for, okay, so resources. And create. Okay, so this is the one. So I'm going to just call it to line resources. Sing. Okay. So override theme there, override the theme body. I think this one use library. And then I'm going to use this. Okay, and the footer is going to be the same. So it looks like it's updated. So let's go to okay, resource page right here. So let's just pick this one. All right, so it looks like yeah, so it looks like it's working here. Oh, that looks bad. Okay, so I gotta fix that. But so that's a new, yeah, form, and then the really resource. All right, so that's, I think that's good. So yeah, just little design fix. But now, so I got replaced from Elementor Pro to Crocoblock a theme core. So essentially, using the same thing, the same template. It's really easy. Yeah, so I can save some good money on that.